Okay, so a while ago, our first presenter discussed about the rule of key elements or the key organizational elements that managers must be knowledgeable about in order to effectively construct and utilize information system. And what is the influence of information system organizations? Again, contemporary organizations typically exhibit hierarchical structures characterized by specialized rules and a commitment to impartiality. These entities employ defined procedures as a means to optimize operational efficiency. So organization has distinct cultural and political dynamics that emerge as a result of divergent interest groups. And these dynamics are influenced by the external environment in which they operate. Organizations exhibit variation in their objectives, target demographics, societal functions, leadership approaches, motivational mechanisms, task characteristics, and structural arrangement. These features serve to elucidate disparities in the utilization of information system among businesses. So the interaction and utilization of information system among businesses. So the interaction and mutual influence between information system and the organizations in which they are employed are evident. So the implementation of a novel information system will have an impact on various aspects of an organization, including its structure, objective, work design, values, intergroup competitions, decision-making process, and daily conduct. Okay? Simultaneously, it is imperative to information system to be strategically developed to cater the requirements of significant organizational function, hence being influenced by the organization's structure, business processes, objectives, culture, politics, and management. Okay, so the value chain model, as what our presenter discussed, elucidates the stake operations inside an operation whereby competitive tactics and information system can exert the most significant influence. So the conceptual framework perceives the firm as a sequence of core and ancillary operations that contribute value to the firm's offering. Primary activities are intrinsically linked to the processes of productions and distributions, while support activities play a crucial role in enabling the execution of primary objectives. So the value chain of a corporation might be interconnected with the value chain of its suppliers, distributors, and customers. So a value web comprises of information systems that augment competitiveness at the industry level through the facilitation of standards adoption and industry-wide collaboration, as well as by enabling enterprises to enhance their operational efficiency in collaboration with their value partner. The integration of information system within organizations can lead to increased efficiencies and improved services by facilitating the coordinations of operations across different business units. So information system plays a crucial role in enabling organizations to effectively utilize these core strengths by facilitating the dissemination of knowledge among different units within the organizations. Information systems enabled business models that rely on extensive network of users of subscribers, leveraging the benefits of network economics and the utilization of network to establish connections with other firms is a fundamental component of a virtual company strategy. And this approach enables a company to leverage the skills of other entities in order to effectively develop, promote, and distribute its products and services. Within the context of this ecosystem, it is seen that many industries collaborate in order to effectively provide value to the customer. So information systems facilitate a complex network of relationship among the organizations involved. So the successful implementation of a strategic system frequently necessitates substantial organizational transformation and a shift from one socio-technological or socio-technical level to another. So the modifications are sometimes referred to as strategic transitions and are frequently characterized by their challenging and arduous nature. So in addition, it should be noted that all strategic systems provide profitability and the reconstruction can incur substantial costs. Numerous strategic information systems can be rapidly replicated by competing organizations, hence rendering the attainment of enduring strategic advantage, uncertainty. And I think that's it for chapter 3.